What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We got ourselves a nice set of two similar figures here. We have parallelogram ABCD is similar to parallelogram WXYZ. All right, so if they are similar, that means our corresponding angles are congruent and our corresponding sides are proportional. This problem asks me for the length XY, they're the length of that side. That's what XY means without that little segment notation over the top of it. I want that length. So can I use what I have here to figure this out? Well, it looks like from my similarity statement, AB and WX are corresponding sides. So they're proportional. So I can say, hey man, 4/6 equals something else. Well, BC, right there in the middle, lines up with XY, which is the one that I happen to be looking for. So I could use the small one first, 7 over that XY. I'm just going to call this, let's call it Q, since that's not a variable we're using right now. Now I can keep it to a single variable, and who doesn't like to draw a Q, right? We don't really get the opportunity to draw many Qs in the English language, so there we go, kids. There we go. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so what are we going to do in this situation? I got two fractions equal to each other, right? That's a proportion. I can cross multiply and solve, but not so fast. Well, you can if you'd like, but I'm going to make things a little bit easier. I'm going to simplify. We can divide both of these guys by 2. So I'm going to get 2/3. Now I can cross multiply a little bit easier. 2 times Q is 2Q. 3 times 7 is 21. Now I'm going to divide that by 2 on both sides. And I'm going to get my XY here, that Q that I used for this, XY equals, well, 21/2. I can either leave it like that, or I can make it, say, 10.5, right? 20 divided by 2 is 10. 1/2, half, 0.5. I like that. I'm into that. That's pretty dope right there. Now, one last thing before we call this a day. This 2/3. I wonder if that's significant. That's what we call our scale factor from this guy to that guy, all right? So the scale factor from parallelogram ABCD to parallelogram WXYZ is 2/3, or 2/3, or you could say 2/3. Your call. These two are the most common. All right, that's enough for this dope video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have an awesome day.